Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have here is the GS1100G. Now this motorcycle has been wrecked, and we are assuming the motorcycle was running when it was wrecked, but I really don't have a way of testing the transmission, and I don't really want to get into starting it. However, Kenny's got the battery hooked up, and you can listen to it turn over. Okay, motor turns over. If you come to this side of the motorcycle, the dyno cover is gooned. The head's nice. Now, if we go to the front of the motorcycle, there's some marks here where the exhaust hit this hit. So you got some damage right here. Looks like a little piece damaged right here, and some little damage right here, but nothing horrible. We would like to sell this motorcycle for $500, and we have some more parts that we're going to show you. Now, low-cost shipping available on request. There is no title for this motorcycle. This is sold for parts only. Now also, over here we have the front brake rotors, which look like they're in pretty good shape. We have the rear wheel. We have the seat bar, but it's bent a little bit, but this could be fixed. Then we have the seat. The pan is not rotted out. However, it's slightly bent right here, but this could be fixed. All the tabs and everything look like they're pretty good. The cover is kind of gooned right here, but if you don't have one, this is a lot better than nothing. At least we have the GS1100G side covers. Structurally, they're very nice. However, they could use a paint job. I have some parts of the gas tank, but the gas tank is smashed, but I may be offering the fuel valve and the gas cap. I don't know yet. Okay, well, thanks for looking, and we get around, so possibly we can deliver this or meet us at the races. Thanks.